Hi dear children, welcome back to the class. Before we enter into the new chapter, let's recall what we have learned in the last year. This is a picture of a house. Can you tell me how many vertical lines are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertical lines are there. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 horizontal lines are there. How many slanting lines are there? 1, 2. 2 slanting lines. And how many curved lines are there? Only 1 curved lines. Yes. Children, let's recollect with another example what are different types of lines. Is it a horizontal line or vertical line? Yes, it's a horizontal line. And is it a vertical line or slanting line? It's a vertical line. Is it a horizontal or slanting line? Yes, slanting line. And is it a curved line or horizontal line? Yes, it's a curved line. Children, our new chapter is more about to learn geometrical shapes and pattern. Here is the mind map of chapter 7. Main topics are basic components of geometry, point, line segment and ray, geometrical shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes, symmetry and last patterns. Children, our first topic is point. This is we call as a point. Can you measure the length of the point? No. There is no length, breadth or thickness for a point, but it represents definite position or location. We can represent point by dot. I am representing here 4 dots and naming A, B, C and D. Children, let's move to the next topic, line. We already learned point shows definite position or location. Let me mark 2 points. And I mark A and B. Now connect those points. This is we call as line. Children, we can extend this line endlessly to right side or to this left side there is no end points and a line has no breadth, no thickness, and we can represent this line as AB. Children, we already learned what is line. Line has no endpoints and no breadth, no thickness. Next our topic is line segment. Here I marked A and B in between C and D. C here the fixed length and it has 2 endpoints and fixed length. This is we call as the line segment. C and D is the line segment. Children, our next topic is ray. A ray is a line segment that extends endlessly in one direction. It begins from a point. It has no endpoints. For example, AB. The starting point we call as initial point, but it has no end point. Hence, the length of the ray can't measure. So, we can call this as ray AB. Children, let's summarize what we have learned so far. What is line? Yes. Line has no end points and no breadth and thickness, and we denote as AB. And what is line segment? It has definite length and two endpoints denoted as AB. And what is ray? Ray has no definite length and no endpoints. We denote as ray AB. Children, our next topic is how to measure line segment. Children, here is the line segment X and Y. Can you tell me how to measure the length of the line segment? We can measure using a ruler. Place the point 0 of the ruler at X. Okay. Now look at the other point. Here the other points ends. What is the other point? Yes. Here the length is 8 centimeter. Children, will take another example how to draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. First put a dot and mark it as A and keep the ruler at A and other point marked as B. That is, we have to take the measurement 10 centimeter. Here 10 centimeter. Yes. Put a dot, then mark it as B. Now draw a straight line and remove the ruler. Now the line segment 10 centimeter. Children, our next topic is plane shapes. Do you know what are plane shapes? Shapes such as triangle, square, rectangle, circles are called plane shapes or 2D shapes. Which shape is this? Yes, it's a square. How many straight lines are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is called edges or sides? The straight lines that form a plane shapes are called edges or sides. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Squares have 4 sides or 4 edges. And how many corners? What is corner? 2 lines meet together is called a corner. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? Yes, 4 corners. Children, we'll take another shape. Which shape is this? Yes, it's a triangle. How many edges are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So, triangle have 3 edges and how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Children, let's take another shape. Which shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle. How many straight lines are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The straight lines that form a plane shapes are called edges or sides. So, it's a rectangle. How many edges? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 edges and how many corners? What is corner? 2 lines meet together is called a corner or vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Children, we'll take another shape. It's a circle. How many edges and corners are there in circle? There is no corners and sides because there is no straight lines. And circle has no sides and no corners. Children, our next topic is solid shapes. Shapes such as cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere are called three-dimensional shape. Cube is a representation of square. How many faces are there in cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many edges are there? Yes. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there? 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. How many corners are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. I'll repeat. Cube has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, we'll take another shape. It's a cuboid. Cuboid is a 3-dimensional representation of rectangle. So, how many faces are there? What is meant by faces? The surface of a solid is called faces. So, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges are there. And how many corners are there? What is meant by corner? 2 lines meet together is called a corner. So, how many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. So, cuboid has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, we'll take another shape. Yes, it's a cylinder. How many faces are there in cylinder? Yes, 1, 2, 3. How many faces are there in cylinder? Yes, 3. And how many edges are there? Yes, 2 edges. What is meant by edges? The face meet to make an edge. How many edges? 1 and 2. How many edges? In cylinder, 2 edges. How many corners are there? There is no corner. So, cylinder has 3 faces and 2 edges and 0 corners. Children, we'll take another shape, that is, which shape is this? Yes, cone. How many faces are there in cone? Yes, 1 and 2. And how many edges are there? Yes, only 1. How many corners are there? Only 1 corner. I'll repeat. Cone has 2 faces and how many edges? Only 1 edge. How many corner? Only 1 corner. Children, next which shape? Yes, it's a sphere. Sphere is a 3-dimensional representation of a circle. How many faces are there? Yes, only 1 face. And there is no corner and there is no edge. So, sphere has only 1 face and 0 edge and 0 corner because there is no straight line. Children, our next topic is symmetry. We can divide this figure into 2 equal parts. If the figure, one part overlap with another part is called symmetric figures. Each part is called a mirror image. The dotted line which divide the object into 2 mirror halves. This is called a line of symmetry. Children, we have a square. If I fold the figure into 2 equal halves, is it a symmetry? Yes. This overlap exactly. So, the figure is symmetric figure. And I have another figure. Yes. If I fold like this, symmetry? No, it's not a symmetric shape. Is it asymmetry? Children, our next topic is patterns. Patterns can be repeated by anything by its number, shapes or color, which is repeated a sequence. Children, first we will see change in color. We have yellow block, brown block and green block. Next, yellow, brown and green block. We have a repeating sequence of colors. Yellow, brown, green. Yellow, brown, green. What will be the next color? Yes, yellow, brown, green. Here we call it as a pattern. Children, next pattern by shapes. We have circle, rectangle and square. Next we have circle, rectangle and square. Can you guess what is the next three shape? Yes, circle, square and rectangle. Here we repeat the shapes. Children, next pattern by numbers. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8. What are the next three numbers? Yes, difference between two numbers here, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Let's take another example. 3, 6, 9. Next number. Yes, the difference between two numbers is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Next is pattern using letters. Here AB, AB, AB. What will be the next pattern? Yes, AB, AB, AB. Next one, how many times? One more time. AB, AB, AB. We'll take another example. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. Here we have first numbers and second alphabet. So first 1 plus 1, 2, and this is alphabetic order. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So here 4 plus 1, 5. After D, which letter? Yes, E. Next letter, next number, 5 plus 1, 6. After E, which letter? Yes, F. Children, today's class we learned point, line, line segment, ray, plane shapes, solid shapes, symmetry and patterns. See you in the next class. Children, take care. Bye.